between us. You were like my best friend, the one I used to run and talk to when me and my girl was having problems. She used to say you'll be okay, suggest the little nice things I should do. But when I go home at night, I lay my head down, all I seem to think about is you. You make me wanna leave the one with, start a new relationship with you. Just what to do, think about a ring and all the things that come along with. You make me wanna leave the one with, start a new relationship with you. Just what to do, think about a ring and all the things that come along with. You make me. Now what's bad is you're the one that hooked us up, knowing it should be you. What's sad is I love her but I'm falling for you. What should I do? Do I tell my baby bye bye? Should I do exactly what I feel inside? Don't wanna go, don't need to stay, but I really need to get it together. You make me wanna leave the one with and start a new relationship with you. This is what you do, think about a ring and all the things that come along with. You make me wanna leave the one I'm with, start a new relationship with you. This is what you do, think about a ring and all the things that come along with. You make me. At this point, the situation's out of control. I never meant to hurt her, but I gotta let her go. And she may not understand it, but this is going on. I've tried to fight it, but the feeling is too strong. Hey baby, think about a ring and all the things that come along with.